Ever joined an international Discord server or met players from another country but couldn't understand a single word they were saying in voice chat? Language barriers are officially over. Today on Techavro, we are setting up a real-time voice translation bot that instantly translates foreign speech into your own language right inside the audio channel. To unlock this multilingual power, we are integrating a highly rated, secure third-party tool called Translation Bot. First, crack open your web browser, navigate to translation-bot.app, and click on the large button labeled Invite to Discord. Choose your target community server from the drop-down menu interface, pass the quick security CAPTCHA check, and authorize the permissions layout. Next, jump back into your Discord server and join any active voice channel along with your international friends. To activate the voice engine, open your server text chat and type a simple /command /voice translate followed by your target language like English and hit enter. The bot will instantly join your voice speaker room. Now, whenever someone speaks in Spanish, French, or Japanese, the AI system will immediately translate their voice and read it out loud in clear English or drop instant text captions right in your sidebar. If this futuristic communication guide helped you make friends worldwide effortlessly, hit that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech guides. See you next time.